Welcome to Paws in the Kitchen. Today, Chef Rocky's cooking up a storm with his famous Chicken Karahi recipe. A black dog wearing a chef's cap and apron. Standing in the kitchen, meet the culinary canine with a passion for cooking. Hold up a recipe book. Show the ingredients and instructions for Chicken Karahi. Secret recipe for Chicken Karahi is revealed. Let's take a look. Carefully measures out ingredients, including chicken breast, onions, bell peppers, and spices. First, we need to prepare our ingredients. Got his paws on the job. Mixes together yogurt, lemon juice, and spices to create a marinade for chicken. Now, it's time for the marinade. Got a special blend of spices to make our chicken extra flavorful. Heats oil in a wok and sautés sliced onions and bell peppers, stirring constantly to prevent burning. The skillet's hot and cooking up a storm. Watch as he sautés our onions and bell peppers to perfection. Proudly presents the finished Chicken Karahi, wagging tail and giving a doggy grin. And there you have it. Chicken Karahi is ready to devour. Doesn't look possum,